talking about how to grow your nails long. Biotin will help your nails and hair. It's vitamin H, I think. Getting your vitamins is super important. So cod liver oil, fish oil, which I do try to suggest whole foods, but like sometimes you just can't. Foods with folic acid, so like fish, obviously, with fish oil. I mean, drinking more water, obviously. We hear that everywhere. I used to have really thin nails, and I was also really dehydrated, so my cuticles around would just like be peeling. I would pick at it like crazy. So that's number one, is focusing on the cuticle around. Clip anything that's peeling immediately so that you're not gonna rip it. What I found helped me so much to moisturize my cuticles was Burt's Bees hand salve. What's important with filing, that you don't go like, you should be going like one direction, and that keeps it from breakage. Anyway, what I have never done in my life is gotten acrylic or like fake gel, whatever nails. If I've gone to the nail salon, which was just twice, it was just to get a paint, but then they ended up not doing a very good job. I just paint my nails myself if I want to, but that's also only like twice a year, maybe. I'm pretty lazy and I pick at it a lot. Toes, like, okay, that can last a lifetime, but fingernails with washing dishes, nah. Which leads me to my next point. Try to wear gloves if you're using harsh chemicals or washing dishes all the time, which also will protect the skin on your hands, which a lot of people forget in their night or beauty skin routine, is that your hands age a lot. Same with your décolletage right here. Moisturize all of that. All of that. Oh my goodness, the cat's putting his little paws like under the door trying to get in. So that's how you start. But important key factors to remember are not to use your nails as tools, especially after prolonged water exposure. Be careful not to use your nails as tools after that. You have to stop biting and picking your nails if you want to grow them. I've heard of putting like spicy, like jalapeno juice or something on your nails, so like you go to bite and it's burning you, or like something really bitter. Painting your nails, but the flip side, then people will be picking at the chips. So don't forget a base coat so that it chips less, because that will actually, picking will take off the top layer of your nail and make it more weak and prone to breakage. What I personally do is like on the sides, it will kind of lift a bit, like, I don't know, just like one little layer, and I'll just pick it off, and then it creates this little indentation where there's a weak spot. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it took me so long to stop like picking out the layers of my nail. That was one thing that really contributed to my nails growing long. And same with not using them as tools, because that also chips the sides. That's why this kind of goes into a cone shape, the triangle shape, while these four, they're perfect squares. They're not going inwards. You can keep your nails stronger by keeping them shorter. So this is kind of contradicting, but this is just the surface area. There's more to bend the longer they are, and it's just, there's no way around it. Your nails are gonna be a lot weaker the longer they get, so it's up to you. After a certain point, like this, for sure, a little bit shorter than this would be like the max that I would want to go again. I'm constantly like worried that they're gonna snag on something, so it's just really, really time to clip these nails. The only reason I haven't cut them yet was like I was gonna grow them out for my birthday and then for my cousin's wedding. They are super annoying. Like picking up a clip or like typing, it's like on my phone. I can't play piano or guitar. I don't know. The only thing it's really good for is for people to be like, wow, those are your real nails? I'm like, yeah, thank you. And then that's literally it. So I don't know. It's a lot of work. It makes me feel good up to a certain point. Now they're just too long and I feel like a witch. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know how your nails have turned out.